Welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the Hindustan Landmaster is back, and it's not just a nostalgic throwback, it's a modern machine wrapped in vintage charm. In 2025, Hindustan Motors has revived this classic icon with a fresh approach, blending retro styling with contemporary features. Let's take a deep dive into its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing to see if this legend lives up to its name. From the outside, the 2025 Landmaster captures the essence of the original model, but with modern refinements. The round headlights, chrome grille, and vintage-style fenders pay homage to the past, while LED lighting and aerodynamic tweaks bring it into the present. The body retains a bold, muscular stance with smooth curves, making it a head-turner on the road. Available in classic colors like British Racing Green and Midnight Black, the Landmaster keeps its old-school charm alive. The 16-inch retro-style alloy wheels further enhance its appeal, giving it a perfect blend of old and new. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that mixes vintage aesthetics with modern convenience. The dashboard retains a minimalist, classic look with analog-style dials, but a digital display is cleverly integrated for a seamless driving experience. Soft leather seats with contrast stitching provide comfort, while the wooden trims add a touch of heritage. Hindustan Motors has equipped the Landmaster with all the modern tech you'd expect: an infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium audio setup, and climate control. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making it a comfortable ride for long journeys. Under the hood, the 2025 Landmaster surprises with a 1.5L turbocharged petrol engine producing around 120 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or an automatic transmission. While it's not the fastest in its segment, it delivers a smooth, refined drive that suits its character. Hindustan Motors has also introduced a mild hybrid variant, improving fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making it glide effortlessly over Indian roads. With a well-balanced chassis and responsive steering, the Landmaster offers a nostalgic yet practical driving experience. Pricing for the 2025 Hindustan Landmaster is expected to start at around 12 Indian rupees lakh for the base variant, while the top-end model with all premium features could go up to 16 Indian rupees lakh. At this price, it competes with modern sedans and compact SUVs, but its classic appeal makes it a unique choice. The Landmaster is not just a car, it's an experience, a statement of heritage and style. Would you take one home? Let us know in the comments.